Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have learned how to create a Google Classroom. Now I am going to show you how to attach an assignment or how to give assignment to our students in Google Classroom. So first of all, open the Google Classroom in your browser and then click on classwork. Then click on create. Then there are many more options here. We can give assignment, quiz assignment, questions, material, reuse post, or topic, etc. In this video, I am going to give assignment to my students. Click on assignment. Here we have the options to give the assignment for the entire students or to a selected number of students. I am going to give to the whole students. Then I am going to give the title. Let it be GK Quiz 2020. And we can give the instructions for the assignment. It's optional. I'm not going to let it be all must submit before 20th May. Okay, then I am going to instruction, and here we have the options to either add or create a post. In this video I am going to show you how to add a file in my computer. Then click on here. We have the options to add it from Google Drive, or we can paste a link of a file from our computer, or we can add the link from YouTube. I am going to add one from my Google Drive. I am going to click on upload and then select from your device. Let it be any one of the following. I am going to give this one. Then click on upload. We can give much more file, and I have already inserted an image as the material. Here we have the options to enter the points for this assignment. I am to give only 5 points. Then we can select the due date. Click on due date. Since I have not entered in due date, then click on the date. Since it is 20th May, click on 20. The time is optional. Then I am not giving any topic either. Now it's the work has finished. Then click on assign. Okay, now our assignment can be viewed by our students in the stream option. I have a notification will be sent to their email like that. Iron Vijotaragan has posted something. So here we can view their work. We can, if they have submitted, we can score them, and we can view the instruction in this tab. And okay, I think all have understood how to give a quiz assignment through you to your students through Google Classroom. Thank you all.